Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to improve your chances at Blackjack in Fivem. First, grasp the game's core objective. Beat the dealer's hand without going over 21. Mastering basic strategy is crucial. Always hit when your hand is 11 or less. Conversely, stand on a hard 17 or more to minimize the risk of busting. These fundamental moves significantly boost your long-term success rate. Next, let's discuss card counting principles. This technique involves tracking the ratio of high to low cards remaining in the deck. Assign a value of +1 to low cards and -1 to high cards. A positive running count suggests more high cards are left, which increases your advantage. While Fivem might differ from real casinos, understanding this concept sharpens your game awareness. Effective bankroll management is vital for sustained play. Always set a strict budget for your sessions and never wager more than 1 or 2% of your total bankroll on any single hand. Additionally, be selective with your tables. Prioritize those offering a 3-2 payout for a natural blackjack and steer clear of tables that only pay 6-5, as this significantly reduces your odds. Finally, consistent practice is key to refining your blackjack skills. Always split pairs of 8s and aces, as this significantly improves your chances. Also, consider doubling down on a 10 or 11 when the dealer reveals a weak-up card, like a 4, 5, or 6. While no strategy guarantees a win every single time, applying these techniques will undoubtedly enhance your overall performance and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.